Okay, so it's officially day one. Yesterday was day zero. We reached here and explored Baga and came back a little late yesterday at night. So today it's almost, I don't know what time it is, but we are going ahead to have some brunch. Um, so today's itinerary is not sorted. We will just do whatever comes in our way and we'll keep it pretty chill. Maybe we'll explore some beaches in North Goa and maybe go for sunset in Chapora Fort. So let's see what will we explore and do. Okay, so we just walked out of this area 99 cafe. It was just opposite to where we are staying, and the food was good. It was 8 on 10. The guacamole toast was good, coffee was good, and smoothie bowl was also really good. So now we are full, and now we will be going towards Sweet Lake. It's near Arambul Beach, it says. So we went to Arambul yesterday. So today also it's somewhere nearby. So we are thinking to try and see what and how the vibe is of Sweet Lake. So let's see. Okay, so we have parked our car and now we are heading towards Sweetwater Lake and it's showing something 950-meter walks. So we are heading towards that. Okay, so Arambol is right there, and if you're coming to Arambol, make sure you cover Sweet Lake together with it. We weren't aware about it, that's why we skipped on this, and today we checked it out where it is, and now we feel dumb. And so we are moving towards Sweetwater Lake. Let's reach there. Okay, so we visited the Sweet Water Lake there, and right now we are just chillaxing here and watching the क्या बोलते हैं इसको and watching the sea ocean and watching this really pretty view, and it's all water. They skip the beaches and come to such offbeat places. You will really love it. This is where we are sleeping. Okay, so we are here at Sweet Lake. So behind there is the lake, Sweet Lake view, and we are sitting right over here. And the view and the vibe is so good, so peaceful, so calm, and we are in North Goa. So if you're looking for something to chill and relax and have a really peaceful vibe, please visit here. You can go watch how it looks, the Sweet Lake view, but come here and sit if you want the beach view, or if you are okay with the lake view. We thought it was just a one time visit, and but this area is so good. So make sure you come here and visit if you want peaceful vibe, because at Arambul also yesterday we went, there were families, couples, friends. There was a little crowd, not too much, because it's May. You can try coming here and have and chill peaceful vibe. So we are here at afternoon, so that is also plus point why this place is like really empty. So yeah, this is a must visit. Also, right next there, one of the person here said it's nude beach, and we also saw very one two people being nude. Maybe they were really far. So if you are planning to visit nude beach, you can go there. But we might skip on that. So yeah, we might just take a leave from here and go see some other beaches as well. So yeah. Okay, so we are back from Sweet Lake viewpoint, and we stayed there for quite a while, for 2 to 2.5 hours, and the vibe was really peaceful and chill. So if you're looking for a really chill place, so you can visit there. You can skip on Arambol beach, or maybe you can go at Arambol and walk towards Sweet Lake view. It's nearby. If you are good at walking, make sure to walk. And now we are all in sand and we are all wet, really dirty, so we'll just quickly take a shower and change and go again towards another location, maybe to some other beach, or maybe towards Chapora Fort. So let's see where we go. Okay, we are all set again to go for sunset at Mandram Beach. Let's see if we stop there or move ahead. It's already 5:30. Let's go so that we don't miss on our sunset view. It seems like it might rain today. Let's see if we can get sunset or not. Okay, so we have reached Mandram Beach, but it's pretty cloudy as you guys can see. So I think we might miss on our sunset view, but the vibe is really peaceful, quiet, calm. Just the waves noises there. So yeah. So we stayed there for quite a while, and now we are going back and we'll have something. We are pretty hungry right now. So let's go and have something, because we had just the brunch and after that we haven't ate anything. All thanks to me. We are at this Blue Sea View restaurant, and we were looking for some affordable options in Indian main course roti sabji basically. So we got this very nearby Mandarin Beach, and taste is also good, so you can try it. Okay, so we are back at our room and we had our dinner there itself near Mandram at Blue Sea viewpoint, something like that. I will attach the clip here where we are. The food was good and affordable as well. So if you're looking for affordable main course Indian thing, you can try there. And we might just leave now. We're really tired, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so today it's early morning and we are checking out from this beautiful property, and we might be heading towards Panjim or maybe directly towards South Goa. So catch you there. But before that, we will cover Querin Beach today, and let's see what will we do. Okay, so we have arrived at Karim Beach and we are walking towards it. Let's see. Okay, so we have reached this point and absolutely no one is here. So we don't know where to go for Karim Caves. So I am scared, so I might just leave from here. But they are going exploring more. So maybe they might find it. But for me, this is the end destination because sand is there in my slippers. So it's getting slippery. So I might just end my Karim Beach or Cave. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Right here, I'm ending it, and I will just enjoy this. Also, there are a lot of crabs here, so if you're coming here, be careful. See, there are so many. Okay, so we went towards that cave, but we are coming back without going there because the water was really high. We cannot cross the way where caves are, so we are heading back without visiting the caves. But if you're coming here, you can go try going there. So this is Karim Beach, whatever this is called. So as compared to Arambol and the beaches I visited, this doesn't seem that clean. So if you're looking to visit some clean beaches, try other. This isn't that clean, as you guys can also see.